Artificial intelligence research company OpenAI has launched ChatGPT, a chatbot based on the GPT 3.5 language model in beta. Although ChatGPT is still in the testing phase, it has managed to attract attention with its capabilities. It is even said that ChatGPT will replace Google. So what are the features that distinguish ChatGPT from other chatbots? And how can you use it for your business? Want to know more about it? Well then, keep on watching to find out how can ChatGPT help you grow your business. And before we start, please give us a like and share this video so it could reach more people. And let's begin. First, let's talk about what is ChatGPT. ChatGPT is a chatbot based on the language model GPT 3.5 that uses deep learning to generate human-like text. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, can give natural answers to so many questions, like a personal teacher who knows almost everything. For this reason, it is shown as an alternative to Google. ChatGPT can affect Google and Wikipedia because it can give structured answers to most questions with reasonable accuracy. Here are its features: question and answer, solving math equations, writing texts like basic academic articles, literary texts, movie script, and etc. It can also debug and fix, for example, detect or correct errors in any code block. It is interlingual translation. It can do summarizing text and detecting keywords in text, classification, marking recommendations, and explaining what anything does. For example, explaining what a code block does. Next, how to use ChatGPT. It is only available for beta testing and evaluation for now, but it is expected that OpenAI will open API access early next year. This will allow companies to develop products based on the software, which could include coding, optimization, and call center tools. The early demo is said to be part of the GPT 3.5 series of models that are built on a refined version of GPT-3 instruction set. These are precursor models to the rumored GPT-4, which is expected to be orders of magnitude more complex. ChatGPT, an artificial intelligence-based chatbot, is available for free. And here's what you need to do step by step to use ChatGPT. First, open the website on your computer or phone. Go to chat.openai.com. If you have an OpenAI membership, click the login button and log into your account. If you do not have an account, sign up with the sign up button. Next, you can use ChatGPT from the chat screen that opens after logging into your account. Then type in your questions next to the queue. After that, click Submit and wait for the answer to appear, and it might take a few seconds. Here are a few examples of its use. You can type anything you want, and it will give you an answer. If you have questions about anything, it will research and provide relevant information. If you also need something like anything about creative writing or even poetry, it will give it to you. So, in what ways can it help you grow your business? Well, for example, this Twitter user has used ChatGPT to create a 3-column footer with Tailwind. The user then followed up and asked for a React version, more realistic copy, and mobile responsiveness. For your business, you can use ChatGPT to build website and write social media posts. You can use ChatGPT to create basic website pages, write Instagram captions, create posts, correct grammar in your essays, convert movie titles into emojis, and even fix bugs in Python code. For example, you can find how to generate a simple personal website or a blog page like what this Twitter user did. And here's another that used ChatGPT to create a job posting for a 3D renderer by typing in the qualifications and skills needed. As you can see, you can use it to do fun stuff or make your work easier for your business. but you can also use it to do more serious things, like writing and debugging code, extracting data from text, finding answers to questions, and a whole lot more. You can even use it as a Linux terminal if you want. So, what are some of the useful things you've used ChatGPT for? Let us know in the comments down below. And if you haven't tested it yet, go ahead and test it out and see for yourself. And I hope you find this video helpful. Please subscribe and hit the notification bell so you'll be updated on our daily videos. And before this video ends,
did you know that you can get online courses platform with integrated marketing, with hosts anywhere, supports 17 languages, and 6 profit boosting plugins included? That is Course Funnels by Technic Force. Create and market courses online. Course Funnels helps you make courses and trainings that actually get sales. It's easy. You will have your first course set up on day number 1. It has a powerful dashboard, easy course editor, robust communication center, email marketing inside, and accepts payments any way you want. It has money-saving plugins included, and it supports third-party scripts, and has reports and analytics. Get instant access to Course Funnels now. Just go to getcoursefunnels.in. And that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching and see you on the next one.